DDOG stock analysis and DDOG stock prediction. Is it a buy or is it not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking and observing a Datadog, and from what I'm seeing, the price just kind of keeps melting down. Now, I have nothing against Datadog, don't get me wrong, but I'm just kind of saying what's on the chart, right? Before I get into it, I have spent 5 figures on courses and mentors and called out thousands of correct predictions, and all of this has been documented on this YouTube channel. So specifically looking at Datadog, yeah, like it's still, you can see like my hard time from idea is that I was long and bullish and all of that good stuff. And guess what happened? I mean, it's been just kind of going. I'll get rid of all this stuff. So if you want, you can check the like any of my previous videos. For me, this is just noise. And I would just rather stick to something that I have in my control. And that's how I respond to whatever the price is showing me. So I'm only really gonna start buying if I start seeing bullish, if there's like a big catalyst or like my price starts giving me the double breaks. And guess what, since this is like a 4-hour chart, this might take even a few weeks, who knows, a few days, a week or two. We will see. I'm not in a rush, therefore I'm waiting for the rules. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.